Today, friends, I offer you a Tinkercad Free File Friday, so let's get cracking. Today, we're going to start at my website, HLModTech.com. I've got a page dedicated to Tinkercad, all sorts of amazing categories. Of course, below that, we got the Day 1 favorites, the useful starters, and the Tinkercad essentials. There is a ton of stuff you can check out here, but we're going to simply bounce to the HLModTech digital library. You can also get here super quick using the bit.ly up above. Now what I'm trying to do is take my 5,000 tutorials and put them in a more organized fashion for you. And of course I also include the shortcuts, including Sketch. If you're just starting out in Tinkercad, the beginner lessons are right here. Of course, there are also basic skills. This right here explains how you can reach me. These are the updates, and this is a thread on X. Of course, if you click that, you can add a comment to the thread. Of course, today is about free files, so let's go to level 4 and under the free files. Of course, there are a ton you can check out from earlier, but these are the brand new ones. This is by ZDP189. If you click the link, it'll take you to the Tinkercad project. ZDP189 made this fantastic project for my Patreon community and left it set to copy and tinker so we can check it out. Of course, don't forget the golden rule of Tinkercad: give a reaction before you copy and tinker. If we zoom out, you can see this fantastic design as it gets chopped off, and then you'll notice that ZDP left some notes, noting that this might not be safe to actually use, and you're intended to use spiral vase mode when you print it. And then this geometry references a picture that was posted to my Patreon. Now notice it is a solid shape, but check it out on the screen. You can see the one that I printed in vase mode at my house. Alright, so I'm not going to show you how to build this today. Of course, it is a free file and you can just use the link to track it down. This is how you would export it as an STL for 3D printing. The second file I want to show you today is what I call the Circle Toy Smart Shape. Of course, it is also set to copy and tinker, so don't forget the golden rule of Tinkercad: give a reaction before you copy and tinker. Alright, so here is the project. Tiny bit of code. It takes circles and it makes them go around the center. I needed this because I wanted a project where these parts would run into each other and make a shape similar to that. You can space it out more, you can adjust this however you want, and make super quick little projects by just changing the sliders. Now here's what's amazing: after this little bit of code is built, you can click right here and you can choose Share as a Code Blocks Shape. I'm going to call it Circle Fun, and then I'm going to simply save the shape. At this point, we can back up to the Tinkercad dashboard. We were working in code blocks. Right now, instead, we're going to create a new 3D design. And if we switch from basic shapes to your creations, here is our new smart shape. You can adjust it in a heartbeat to make it do whatever you want. All kinds of amazing designs just like that. It is simply a code blocks project where we can add controls and bring it over here as a custom shape. Bang! Tons of fun and maybe even potentially useful. If you want to learn more about code blocks, I will let you know that on level 5, I've got my code blocks area, and then on level 7, we've got all of the smart shapes. So a quick wrap up, please check that link up above. That is how you can find all of ZDP189's amazing projects. He does a fantastic job helping us push Tinkercad to epic levels. Also, make sure you check the links above to learn more about smart shapes. They are a fantastic way to use Tinkercad and code to make shapes that we can share with the world. Of course, if you do make a fantastic design or a smart shape, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear about them. Of course, I do also want to quickly say thank you to everybody that supports me via YouTube memberships. Don't forget there are 3 levels of support starting as low as $5 a month. With any level of support, you get early access to videos. Also, make sure you pay attention for those members only posts. A massive shout out as well to everybody that supports me via Patreon. Love how that group is growing. It has a fantastic free messaging area. You can post questions, ask designs, gain skills. Of course, you can learn more with the bit.ly up above or the link in the description. Finally, friends, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget, every time you like, hype, share a video, add a comment down below, or click subscribe, you're helping HLModTech get just a little bigger, which absolutely makes my day. Friends, have a glorious day, and keep tinkering.